Nemectosaurs are joined by Mongolian titanosaurs, and with them much smaller prenocephali, this immense plateau. And the only way to reach the forest is through this maze of canyons. As they enter, the herd becomes nervous. It's a good place for an ambush. The velociraptors are waiting, but they can't possibly tackle a titanosaur. Success will depend instead on other hunters on the prowl. Tarbosaurs, Asia's version of Tyrannosaurus rex. As the predators approach, panic spreads. Only the prenocephali can escape to higher ground, and this is what the velociraptors have waited for. Now the velociraptors can finally spring their ambush. Working together, they have secured a meal for the whole family. The tarbosaurs have also had success. For predators, it's actually a time of plenty, and for the velociraptors, the perfect time to start a family.